guys, ignore the fact that I look like a rat right now, and I know that it's been a month since I posted on YouTube. I'm so sorry, but today we're going to be doing a wig review, and this wig is from Hayya Station. I'm going to put the link and everything in the description box, so check her out. So this wig is the wig Annie in jet black, and I'm really excited because I genuinely have been wanting this wig for the longest time. It came with this cute card, and this is the wig. I'm going to show you guys now. It is so full, so full, and so lightweight, so fluffy. It looks like a lot, but it is not a lot, I promise you. So lightweight, so full. I loved it. So I called my sister to braid my hair for me because I can't braid my hair for shit. And I put on the wig. Oh my god, it was literally covering my eyes. I had to trim it, but I really loved it. Immediately I put it on, I was like, yes, this is the wig for me. So I had to trim it, but I wanted to show you guys how full it is, right? So this is me just trimming it. I was trimming the bangs because it was really covering my eyes. So yeah, just watch the trimming process. Yeah, so I'm done trimming and it looks so good. Guys, can you see how good this wig looks? And mind you, this wig is super affordable. She's even currently on sales now, so you can check out her page on Instagram. It's Hayya_station. This wig was so cheap, you don't even want to know how much I got it. So cheap, and it looks so good. I was still trimming the bangs because I wanted it to look a certain way. But look at the finished look, no makeup, nothing, and I look so good. Do you know how I want to style this wig with a long black maxi dress, gold jewelry? I look so fire. I was just feeling myself because I loved the wig so much, and she has other wigs like this, so check her out, guys. And you guys should leave comments for me. Tell me, are you feeling this wig? Did you like it? Do you love it? Will you be buying it? Leave comments for me. I was really feeling myself in this video, and I was talking too much. I was feeling myself. So guys, make sure you guys subscribe, and share my videos so that hair brands can reach out to me. So I'm doing more wig reviews like this, so you guys can be seeing my beautiful face often. Bye, my loves.